torej v sklopu projekta Skandinavska pomlad, je pa Založba Didakta in zato tudi najlepša hvala. Gospod Zaman, pripeljala v goste v knjigarno Konzorcij odličnega norveškega avtorja, ki sedi tukaj z nami. Welcome, Pisatelj Faldbakken. Hello. Torej v Sloveniji imamo zelo redko čast gostiti tuje, priznane avtorje, sploh pa na področju Skandinavije je redko takih slučaj. Zato nam je v veselje v knjigarni Konzorcij, da lahko našega gosta, če tako rečem, delimo z vami. Predstavil nam bo pa skupaj z Nejcom, ki je urednik pri Založbi Didakta, svojo zadnjo trilogijo. Želim vam prijeten večer in prijetno druženje. Hvala.
So, how was it like growing up in an artistic family? Your father is a famous writer, and your brother also?
Yeah, my father is a writer. My mother is what's called potter. What's a ceramic artist? She makes ceramic art. I grew up with my father, and he was in the countryside of Norway, so it was not really like a bohemian setting with artists running in and out. He's like a very, sort of craftsmanshipy author. So he would just go in the morning down to his little writer's cabin and write, and then come up at dinner time and make dinner. So it was a very structured and even normal life, and I know that he has immense grudge and hate against other artists, pretentious kids, you know. So he did never push literature and art and stuff like that on his kids, because he was afraid of, you know, getting this kind of culture kids. It was spawning this kind of culture kids. Which he did in a way, but not maybe in that way. Makes it very awkward. But I solved it by actually